Hello, kids! Today we're gonna learn the colors, so keep on watching! This is blue! This is green! This is red! This is yellow! This is pink! This is purple! This is orange! This is black. This is gray. This is brown. Blue, green, red, yellow, pink, purple, orange, black, gray, brown, blue, green, red, yellow, pink, purple, orange, black, gray, brown. Well done, everyone! I hope you had fun learning the colors with us today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye-bye!